Hi, what's your name and what's your age?
I'm Chan Horteliano and I'm 20 years old.
You said 20. Okay. Does Filipino people discriminate to those women who's dating with a foreigner?
Based on my experience, there's some people will uh, that is discriminating women that is dating
With a foreigner.
some foreigner
Yeah.
because they think that they are um, they are looking for money
Yes,
from the
that's
foreigner,
true.
but um, there are people also that is not discriminating them because they think that they are genuinely in love with each other.
That's true. So, how about you? What do you think about those women who's in a relationship with a foreigner?
Um, Me personally, I don't discriminate those kind of people because for me, if you are not doing bad to the foreigner, then it's okay because if you love that person, then who am I to judge them?
That's true.
So if when but when you do bad things to the foreigner, you have what do you call this? You have bad intentions to that foreigner, then it's not good. So I will not support it.
Okay. So, for example, if you're dating with a foreigner, would it bother you the other people say?
If I know to myself that I'm not doing anything wrong, then why am I going to be bothered by anyone? So as long as I'm doing good, I'm not doing bad to that partner, then it's okay. I will
Wow,
not be
it's
bothered.
very great. Okay. Why do men cheat? Why do you think men cheat?
I think because they are not really uh, committed to that person if they are cheating because maybe because of it's not love. Maybe it's just infatuation or something temporary feelings. So that's why if you don't love that person, then don't cheat or don't make that person fall in love with you.
Oh, I see. So, why do you think women cheat?
Women, okay. Uh, Actually, I don't personally I don't tolerate those girls or women to cheat, but I think there are a lot of reasons why they cheat. Maybe because they fall out of love, just like men when they cheat. But it is not really acceptable that if you fall out of love, then you will cheat. It's not acceptable. But as long as you will just tell it directly to the person that you will be cheating, then it will be accepted. Like you will
Okay.
say the reason.
So, what's your thought about cheating for you? What's
To
your
me,
thought?
it's not good.
Mm-hmm.
Like why cheat if you will just gonna say it directly that
Yes.
you don't love that person na,
Mm.
then you will just hurt someone's feeling by cheating.
Yeah, that's true. Why you need to cheat?
Yeah, don't cheat.
What is your biggest insecurity?
Oh, I have a lot of insecurities,
Yeah, what is the biggest? The
but
top?
um top of it is my physical look.
Why?
Because I'm not that like the other girls that are pretty. Me to myself, I really don't look like a good looking one. But the most insecurity is that I'm not really well academically good.
So,
Yeah.
why you feel like that? Why you feel like doubting yourself that, oh, I'm not physically pretty?
Because sometimes I can hear it from other people that I just like having an opportunity to be just like in a organization, you will not be prioritized because you're not good looking, just like the other girls that are, they have this princess treatment like that. Like you can't have that what do you call this treatment like the other girls that are good looking.
So it really affects you.
Yeah,
Your
of course.
self-esteem.
But it doesn't make me give up.
Mhm.
It makes me inspired to like to to continue, like
Mm.
just like accepting it genuinely. Like I don't like to bother myself with that
You know,
insecurity.
because I don't understand why people think, oh, she's not pretty. No, every girl has its own different beauty. You know, and you are pretty, you are beautiful, and I think there's a special people that that can really see the true beauty in you. So don't don't matter
Okay.
those people
I'll
who,
take note of that.
yes, you are beautiful.
Thank
You
you.
know, you are beautiful. Okay. If you have a long distance relationship, would you consider him to support you
Just like
financially?
financially.
Yeah.
Maybe for me, no, because we have different lives. So
Mm.
I I
Mhm.
can I can support myself by doing by having a work.
Mhm.
It's not like I can rely to him everything. So if I have other boyfriend, then I will not going to be supported by him because I can work also by myself.
Very nice. Okay. If you're in a relationship or you're married, okay, it doesn't matter whether Filipino or foreigner, okay, would you want to build a house or you just want renting?
Mm, honestly, uh, I really want to have a house that
Why?
I don't want to rent because
Mm.
uh, based on my uh, experience, it is really good to have a house, your own house, because honestly, I came from a broken family, so
Oh,
we don't
sorry.
have that house that we can tell that it is
Ah,
ours because
okay.
I am just living with my aunt, so I can also be I can also be jealous by those people who have their own house. So it's really good to have your own house.
Oh, I see what you mean. Okay. Why do most Filipino doesn't save money for rainy days?
Okay, I can relate to it because I can't really save money because
Mm-hmm. Why?
maybe because I'm still a student. I don't
Okay,
have
okay.
income, but
Yeah.
maybe because they're blinded by those luxury things that they
Mm-hmm.
think
Good
that
one.
it is important to them, but it is really not. So
Yeah.
maybe they're just thinking for their what do you call this? For their temporary happiness
Okay.
rather than permanent.
Okay. So, do you think it's an irresponsible attitude or just as culture here in the Philippines?
What attitude like not
Like,
saving?
yeah, can't say.
Yeah, maybe it's within us Filipinos that we tend not to save money, but mostly there's still many people that save money
Mm-hmm.
for for what do you call this, for important purposes. So,
Yes.
yeah.
Okay. It's raining. It's raining. Okay. Why do you think Filipina broke up with their foreigner boyfriend or husband? What do you think it's the
Uh,
reason?
maybe I don't really
A
can't tell what
common
how,
reason, I
but
mean.
the common reason will be a misunderstandings or
Mm-hmm.
just like what I had just heard last month that there is this Filipina girl that broke up with her foreigner boyfriend because of she can't do household
Mm-hmm.
chores, so
Yeah,
maybe that's the reason
that's
they
the
can.
reason. Okay. Do you think foreigner like independent women?
Again,
Do you think foreigner like independent women?
yeah, maybe that's the they can be turned on to those girls very independent.
Okay. Do you think it's foreigners' obligation to support Filipino family?
Maybe it's their obligation if they have like they have children from that Filipina, so it's their obligation.
I
But
mean, the Filipino parents
from
as
their
well. Yeah.
it's maybe it's what's it called? It depends on the foreigner if he or she will support the family of his.
Okay. Um, if you are in a relationship or a marriage to a foreigner, would you want your husband or boyfriend to support your family?
No,
No, why?
yeah, because as what I have said, I don't want to rely on someone about supporting because I can work on myself.
That's true. Okay. Which one you prefer to date? A rich man or a poor man?
To be practical,
Yeah, practical.
I really want someone that can support our families in the future. So
Okay.
if I will choose a poor man, then the thing that I must require is that he must look for a job. But if I will choose a rich man, then maybe it will depend on our understanding with each other.
That's true. Okay. Can you please give me or describe me your characteristic?
Mm. Ah, a funny person.
You're a funny person. What
Yeah,
else?
I can tell it. And I am a. Oh, I can say that's all I can say. I'm a funny person, but sometimes I took serious things serious. So
Okay. Okay.
it's
Thank you
balance.
so much. Thank you for being
Thank
content to
you.
Candid Filipina. Bye.